In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a card to Google Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store application on your device. You will see a colorful icon that looks like a play button. This app is where you can download games, apps, and other digital content. It is essential to have access to the Play Store to enjoy the full range of offerings available for your device. Once you tap the icon, the app will load, bringing you to the main screen filled with various apps and games. Next, tap your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This is a small circular image or icon that represents your Google account. Tapping this will open a menu that gives you access to your account settings and other important options. It is crucial to access this area to manage your account effectively. Your profile picture serves as a gateway to personalizing your experience on the Play Store. From there, tap on the Payments and Subscriptions option in the menu that appears. This section is where you can manage all your payment methods, subscriptions, and purchase history. It is important to get to this step because it allows you to handle your billing settings and card information seamlessly. You will notice a list of options that will help you navigate your payment preferences. Now tap on Payment Methods to see your current payment options. This area displays all the cards and payment methods currently associated with your Google account. If you have not added a card yet, this section will guide you through the process. It's important to keep your payment methods updated so you can make purchases without any interruptions. Next up, tap on Add a credit or debit card. This option enables you to input new card details that you wish to link to your Google Play account. This step is fundamental as it allows you to make purchases directly from the Play Store. Having your card details saved makes future transactions quicker and more convenient. After that, enter your card number in the designated field. This number is usually 16 digits long and can be found on the front of your card. Make sure to input it accurately to avoid any errors. You want to double-check this number as entering it incorrectly can lead to failed transactions. Now, input the expiration date of your card. This date indicates when your card is valid until, and it is usually printed on the front. It is typically formatted as month and year. Entering the correct expiration date is crucial for ensuring your card remains valid for transactions. Next, enter the CVV or security code, which is a 3 or 4-digit number on the back of your card. This code adds an extra layer of security to your transactions. It is essential for verifying that you are the cardholder, helping to protect your financial information. After that, enter the cardholder's name. This name should match the name on the card exactly. It is important to provide accurate information because discrepancies can lead to issues with payment processing. If prompted, fill in your billing address. This address is where your card statements are sent and should match the information the bank has on file. Providing accurate details is vital for verification and ensures that your transactions go through smoothly. Next, tap Save or Add. This action will store your card details in the Google Play Store for future use. Once you complete this step, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully added. Finally, complete any verification required by your bank. This may involve receiving a one-time password or going through additional authentication steps. This verification process is important because it helps secure your account from unauthorized access. Once you complete this, your card will be ready for use on the Google Play Store. Now you are all set to start making purchases on the Play Store with your newly added card. Enjoy exploring all the apps and games available to you.